माननीय डॉक्टर फौजिया खान जी, 3 मिनट।
धन्यवाद उपसभापति महोदय। सर, एक मशहूर गज़ल का एक शेर है, हर तरफ दौड़ते भागते रास्ते, हर तरफ दौड़ते भागते रास्ते, हर तरफ आदमी का शिकार आदमी। सर, यही मनुष्य का इतिहास कहता है और इसीलिए कानून व्यवस्था होती है। सर, सवाल ये है कि आर फ्रॉडुलेंट activities not possible in this sector at all, sir? अगर है तो कानून की सहानुभूति किसके साथ अधिक होनी चाहिए, जो अन्याय करता है उसके साथ या जिस पर अन्याय होता है उसके साथ? सर, कायदे बनाते समय इस बात को ध्यान में रखना ज़रूरी है सर, और इसीलिए सेक्शन 9 सबसेक्शन 1 और 3 के अनुसार इस एक्ट को डीक्रिमिनलाइज करना उचित नहीं है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। This will not be a significant deterrent for people or companies engaged in mineral oil operations. While focusing on ease of doing business, this aspect cannot be compromised, sir. Several examples exist where public debts have been used to pay off penalties. Sir, in case of monetary default, strict civil provisions for imprisonment apply to ordinary citizens in tenancy regulations, in the commercial court, in MSCBs. So why not here is the question. Section 5(3) introduces a new subsection promoting stable terms for petroleum leases. Sir, while this will help encourage investment in the sector by promising stability, it will also restrict the government flexibility to review its terms in case of adverse developments. Terms and conditions, therefore, should be dynamic rather than fixed. That is my opinion, sir. Sir, I would like to mention a scam, approximately 10,000 crores, which happened in Maharashtra in 2012 and 2013. But nothing has been done so far, sir. This is regarding gate passes that are issued for bitumen. These gate passes are totally government controlled. The gate pass bitumen challan mentions the rate, the quantity, the name of the consignee, and all these details are there. The refinery said they did not issue these passes. The people concerned printed duplicate passes and used them all over the state, sir. The Public Accounts Committee in its 2012 report said that an FIR should be filed against those concerned. The SE filed an FIR against the contractor, as usually done. But nothing was done against the officials with whose connivance all this took place. Besides, sir, this took place all over the state, in the region of Maharashtra, in Nasik, in Nagpur. 1 minute, sir, just half a minute. So in spite of this happening everywhere, no cognizance was taken. And sir, in 2014, the government of Maharashtra changed and this stopped. I request the minister to please take up this issue and make sure that FIRs are filed against those concerned, because, sir, if you don't take people to task, then fraudulent activities will go on, sir. Thank you.